everyone, welcome to my channel, Let's Get Luxe. My name is Jamie and I'm very happy that you could be with me today. So I received a lot of feedback from my first YouTube video that people really liked the dress I was wearing. So I decided to do a Tory Burch haul video so that you could see some of the wonderful pieces that I've gotten recently, including that dress. A lot of the items that I got are still available and a lot of them are on sale. So I'm going to be linking down below all of the information that you need in case anything from this Tory Burch haul speaks to you. I want you to be able to know the pros and cons, know what they look like on, and not just on a model, but on like a normal person. And I want you to be able to find them if you want them. So let's get started. And I'm going to start with the dress that I went into Tory Burch for. It is called the ANJA dress. It came in two different prints. The print that I happen to get is the Duchess print. It is an off-white cream color with the black stripes. It has velvet along the collar and along the cuffs. And the buttons are round buttons with the Tory Burch logo. This dress was just calling my name and I had to go into the store and find it. It is everything I hoped it would be. It is classy, it is comfortable, it's versatile in the sense that I can wear it for work, but I can also wear it for special occasions. The attention to detail is just perfect and it is an absolutely stunning dress. I am in love. I'm wearing it out for the first time this coming week for a work event, so if I get really bad feedback on it, I will absolutely update the description box to let you know that it was a big fail, but I don't think it's going to be. It's such a stunning dress that I think it's going to be a big hit. The second dress I want to talk about is the CORA dress. It's a drop waist dress. Now I actually got two versions of this dress. The first one I'm going to show you is in brown tartan plaid. It's 100% silk, it's really comfortable, and I get compliments on it whenever I wear it. I love the cuff sleeves. I love that you can wear it buttoned here or you can wear it rolled up. And I also love that in the back it has a nice white panel that contrasts with the plaid. There are probably two cons I would mention about this dress. One is that it is a little bit short on me. I did buy it for the office and it comes up a few inches from my knee. It is a winter dress, so I tend to wear it with brown tights and brown knee-high boots. The second drawback to this dress is it does get a little clingy. With tights, without tights, it does tend to cling to my body. So what I've done is I've actually worn some Spanx on top of my tights and underneath the dress, and that seems to alleviate that problem. I also got the CORA dress in another version. This one is all cotton and it's definitely got the more dress shirt type feel to it. It still has the crew neck, it's still buttoned down, but it's a little bit less comfortable because it feels a bit more stiff. Also, I find that it's much baggier. It's the same size. I got a 2 in both of these dresses, but for some reason, the cotton version is a lot baggier. So if you like a more fitted look, if you don't like the baggy look, then you might not like this dress. And to be honest, this is my least favorite of all of the things I brought home from Tory Burch. The next thing I want to mention is actually what I'm wearing right now. This is the ARIANA tunic. It is kind of the classic Tory Burch tunic that she's known for, but with a couple of embellishments. So the first embellishment is the bell sleeve. Now, bell sleeves are very on trend right now. I don't know how long they'll be on trend. That being said, I just think this is such a classic shirt. I love it so much. Even if bell sleeves are suddenly out next year, I'm probably still gonna wear this shirt. And don't judge. The other embellishment you'll see is this neckline here. You have these mirrored pieces here along with this blue and white embroidery. The one con I would say about this shirt is that it does have slits up the side that go up to around your waist. Now that hits kind of right where the lump handles are, so it's not quite the look I'm going for. So what I do is I wear a white tight tank top where you can't see the tank top here, but it does come down a little bit farther so that I won't have to worry about if there's anything showing. So the next dress that I'm bringing up might look familiar to you if you watched my first YouTube video, and that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this video. So this is the Sabina dress, and it's still available in both black and pewter. I love this dress. It's incredibly comfortable. It was very warm for winter. It's made of merino wool, so I love the scalloped details. I love the contrast scalloped rolled cuffs, and I love the scalloped color. And I love how the white contrasts with the gray or the black. The center bodice is ribbed, and the skirt is pleated. I've been wearing this a lot when I've been going back east in the winter and we're walking around when it's cold, so I've been wearing it with black tights, knee-high suede black boots, or if I'm looking for the more schoolgirl look, I might go with the black Mary Janes. The one drawback I would say about this dress is, again, it has that tendency to cling to your legs, especially if you're wearing tights. So again, what I do is I throw those Spanx on. It makes me a lot less self-conscious when I'm walking around the dress. I'm going to talk about a few shoes before I get back to the clothes and the jewelry. So the first is a pair of blue flip-flops. I wear a lot of blue, as you can tell, so I definitely wanted to get this color. And in this case, I did get the thicker heel. As you can see, I haven't even had a chance to wear these yet. They're still attached. But this has a bit of a thicker heel, which hopefully will also provide some more support. The second pair of flip-flops I got are these. These are super fun. They have the leopard print, and they also have the jeweled straps. And as you can see, these are the thinner flip-flops, so they don't have quite the same support, but they're okay for flip-flops. I've tried on so many Tory Burch flats that I would love to own, but they just don't fit me quite right. I finally found one pair that is working for me, and I'll show you what they are. They are the LIANA ballet flats. I just love the sparkles. I'm a sucker for sparkles. I don't know what to tell you. They have this in a number of different colors. I'll link it down below. Incredibly soft. It's soft natural leather. There is light padding in here. They also have elastic along here, so it's a little bit stretchy, makes it a little more comfortable. And in the interior is lined with leather, as is the sole. So now I'm going to get to a few things that may or may not be available. The reason I'm giving you this information is because Tory Burch often releases certain pieces multiple times over the course of many years. She might change the fabric, she might change the color, but it is still the same cut. So at least one thing I'm going to show you now, I've seen in at least 3 different versions. So I think that it might be useful for you because I love this dress. It is so cute. And if you see it in the future, you just might want to buy it. I've also seen it on the pre-loved market. So if you decide that you want to go that route, I'll also link some options down below. And the dress I'm referring to is the Kimberly dress. I love this dress. It is so much fun. It's this gorgeous blue color with a contrast white trim and gold hardware. It's this jersey fabric, really comfortable. It's just this classy, preppy, very Tory Burch look. And it's really fun to pair this with a pair of classic white sneakers like the SUPERGA classic sneakers, for example. I'll link those down below as well. It's a mini dress, so it's definitely not something I'm going to be using for work, but I'll certainly get a lot of use out of it during the summer. And last but not least, I just wanted to show you a pair of earrings that I had gotten from Tory Burch. It comes in this cute little bag with the Tory Burch metal logo. And these are the GEMINI Link linear earrings. Now, I don't know if these are available. I just wanted to tell you that if you are considering Tory Burch jewelry, I have been very happy with the quality of these earrings. So just based on this limited experience, I would recommend it. Then again, it is pretty limited, so I don't know, maybe take that with a grain of salt. But I love the weight of the earrings. I love how sparkly they are. I love the style of them. I will show you, I just put one on. So if you have a chance to buy something like this from Tory Burch, these earrings or something similar, I really highly recommend them. It is a piece that is very feminine, very high quality, and very unique. So that's it, my Tory Burch haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful or fun or both. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.